Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Aboli and I make science-based skincare and hair care videos. If you are interested in that space, then consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys my review of the Pilgrim products. One is the Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash and one is the Clarifying Serum, which has 5% niacinamide and 1% alpha-butane. Let's start. This video is in paid partnership with Pilgrim and I'm going to start with the Skin Clarifying Serum. Now this serum is best for people who have a lot of hyperpigmentation, who have acne prone skin and who do not like to layer like me, or who are scared to layer different actives from different brands and who do not want to spend money on two different actives. So for you guys, such blends can really work. So this Skin Clarifying Serum has 5% of niacinamide and 1% of alpha-butane. Now I've spoken about these two actives so many times on my channel and you guys know that I love these two actives, especially for acne prone skin and especially for hyperpigmentation. Now I did have a breakout because of my periods and I was breaking out in a few places. And this serum really helped with just calming everything down and with the hyperpigmentation also. Like you know that if you do not use any product, or if you are using products that do not work on hyperpigmentation, you know the amount of time that is required to heal your acne, to go through the whole process of hyperpigmentation. And when you use products which actually work on your hyperpigmentation, you can see that the process of healing is quite faster. Now this is exactly what you would get with the Skin Clarifying Serum. Let's talk about the serum. The serum costs $6.50 for 30 ml, comes in the glass frosted bottle and it comes with a dropper. Let's look at the texture of the product. As you can see here, it's a transparent liquid. The first and the most noticeable thing with this serum is the fragrance. It does have a strong fragrance. Initially I didn't understand why it has a strong fragrance, because the last ingredient is the perfume, but then I realized that it has flower extracts like marigold flower extract and camellia flower extract. When you apply it on the skin, it's like your skin just drinks up the serum. It is so fast absorbing, like you apply it and it gets absorbed in your skin. There is no requirement of rubbing or dabbing even. It just gets engulfed by your skin. So it is suitable for all skin types, does not leave a sticky residue at all, does not leave any residue. It's like you never even applied a serum on your skin. It gets absorbed so fast. Now let's talk about who can use this. This is one serum that is definitely beginner friendly because it only has 5% niacinamide and 1% alpha-butane. So if you are a person who is looking for products that would work on your dark spots and also prevention of acne, then I would definitely recommend this. Any person who's above 18 can use this. Make sure that you patch test before you start using any skincare product. It can be a face wash, it can be a serum. Make sure that you patch test before. You can be allergic to any ingredient and you do not want to see the whole allergy manifest itself on your face, right? So make sure that you patch test before you use it on your face. Now when it comes to this serum, I highly recommend that you use a good moisturizer after this serum because it has a lot of humectants, and if you have dry skin type, then you would need a thick moisturizer after this serum. If you have other skin types like a combination oily skin, a medium or a light textured moisturizer would work. And for sensitive skin type, I would say look at the ingredients first. If you're sensitive to fragrance, obviously you can't use this because the last ingredient is fragrance in this product. Also, if you're a person who gets triggered by fragrance, now I have received comments that say that I have migraine, so just elaborate more on the fragrance because sometimes strong smells can trigger a lot of diseases. So for you guys, again, this has a strong fragrance, so I don't think you guys can use this if you're triggered by fragrance. Otherwise, all skin types can use this according to me, and it gives great result when it comes to reduction of hyperpigmentation and just fastening the process of healing for your skin. And I really like those skincare products that work on acne and also hyperpigmentation, because hyperpigmentation takes so long to go by itself. You need a little push, and this serum will definitely give you that push. Now let's talk about when to use it. This serum can be used in the AM and PM both. no need to worry. In the morning, obviously you have to wear a sunscreen after any serum or moisturizer. If you use alpha arbutin, then I definitely 100% would recommend that you use a sunscreen after you use any serums which have alpha arbutin. So you have to wear sunscreen after this too. You have to wear sunscreen otherwise also, but make sure that you don't forget if you are applying alpha arbutin. As we all know, niacinamide will regulate sebum production. It will also reduce the oxidation of sebum, which causes a lot of acne for many people like me. It will also help to soothe your skin, to heal your skin, as it is skin barrier friendly. And then it also has alpha arbutin, which would work on the dark spots. So you have something that will work on active acne and on a prevention, and then you have something that will work on what happens post acne. So I'll say this blend is one of the best blends, and I love alpha arbutin and niacinamide together. Now we have discussed about the benefits and everything. Let me share with you my experience. As I've said, my experience with this product was that I saw that the process of healing after acne happens very quickly. You know, the whole process of the color changing that happens from real red to brown to darkest brown, and then you can see it lightening up. So the whole process happens very quickly because of the blend of the ingredients, which is great. I've been using this product for more than a month now, and I'm really liking it. When it comes to sebum production, I haven't seen a lot of difference in my sebum production because it just has 5% niacinamide, and if you have been on my channel, you know that I usually use higher concentrations, and I feel higher concentrations work on regulation of sebum production. With 5% niacinamide, what you would get is great skin health and good skin barrier. As I've said before, the best part is that you can use two actives in one, which is formulated together to work together, and you don't have to layer two serums which are not meant to be used together. So I think that is the best part about this. Now let's talk about the ingredient list. Start with the ingredient list. Now you can see these are a set of hydrators that this serum has. Now hydrators, I've said before, gives you water, gives the nice glow to your face. These are the actives in this serum. These are the extracts that this serum has apart from the main active ingredients. Then you have these ingredients which are used as preservatives, and the last ingredient is fragrance. So in all, I'll say the serum is a great addition for people who are suffering from acne and hyperpigmentation. You can use my code for your purchase. It is ByTeaBoli15, and you can use it on the website. This is not an affiliate code, so I will not be getting any commission out of this. It is for your discount because I have collaborated with this brand, and the links for your purchase will be in the description box. So make sure you take a look at their website because they have many new serums that they have launched. So any other actives that you're interested in, like vitamin C, you can check it out. Okay, let's quickly talk about Pilgrim. Now Pilgrim is an Indian brand, but they have various ranges from all over the world. Like that is their concept, to take up ingredients and ideas from all over the world and to then formulate it for Indian audience. So this range is the Jeju range, which is from Korea. Now Pilgrim is very much an Indian brand. As you can see here, even on the packaging, you can see the manufacturing address and the address of the people who market it. Both are from India. The name of the range is Jeju range, and I did ask Pilgrim why have they named this Jeju if it is manufactured in India. It's not like it's manufactured in Korea. And according to them, they have named this because the ingredients, like the active ingredients, are sourced from Korea, like from Jeju Island. So that is why the name is Jeju Island, and it's from Korea. The same thing, they have the Vinotherapy range as well, and that is sourced from Bordeaux, France. So this is what I was told by Pilgrim. I hope this solves your doubts about the origin of the brand. Now let's talk about the face wash. It is the Volcanic Ash face wash, and it is very affordable. It's $350 for 100 ml, and 100 ml will last you for a really long time, obviously. Let's go and see the texture and how it actually feels on the face. As you can see, it is kind of grey in color, which I didn't expect, but then I realized it has volcanic ash, so obviously it's grey in color. And when you mix it with water, it is so gel-like and so hydrating. Like you can see there's a slip in my fingers, it is very, very, very soft, you know, very, very jelly like. Then when you put it on your face, it does not have a lot of foam, it does not have any harsh surfactants, but even then it cleans your face. As you can see, my face looks so clean and does not dry out your skin at all. This also has the same fragrance of that of the serum, because it also has the camellia flower extract, and it also has perfume. But with you know, face wash, it doesn't really matter if it has perfume or not. But I'm really happy with the face wash because it's gentle, does not have sulfates in it. It has these as its gentle surfactants, and I really like these ingredients. Does a great job of cleaning my oily skin, which is a task for some face washes, but this definitely does a great job of cleaning my oily skin, does not leave my skin dry, which is the best part. And in all, I'd say it's a great face wash, and my mother has used it, works for dry skin as well. As I've said, it has no harsh surfactants, so it won't really affect any skin type. So in all, I'll say these two products are a great addition to my skincare vanity, and I think they would be to yours if you are looking for alpha-butane and niacinamide and a gentle cleanser. So do take a look at the website, and the links will be in the description box below. And that's it. Until next time, bye bye.